Hello everybody and welcome back to the Mikey Made Music and Media channel, where I try to help you unlock the God within you, and that's the creativity. Creativeness is next to godliness. Write it down. Mikey said it. But first, insert the tag.
Hell yeah, Mikey made it.
Damn right. All right, so today we back with Simple Pack Review. I got a good one for you. We're gonna look at Loud Drill Season by Origin Sound. Sound Pack Review getting started right now. Bow! All right, man, we're here on Splice. So we're gonna look at the Loud Drill Season from Origin Sound, as labeled as a drill trap kit. So let's listen to a demo real quick. Okay, I think there's enough. I can't hear some of the stuff. That was a nice little taster. Let's go through. All right, man. As always, just want to preface that, you know, everyone, if you've been producing for a while, you probably got a lot of one shots and stuff. So not really gonna worry about the one shots. I really want to worry about more like the melodic elements, like those things that are really gonna be like the heart and soul of the beat, and like these things that you can flip and you can play with. We can find drum samples anywhere, but the creative, the melodic stuff is the stuff that I really download sound packs for it. I know a lot of you download sound packs for it. So we want to see if this, again, is going to be worth our money. All right, it's going to be worth our credits. So let's go. Let's listen to some of the melodic stuff. All right, okay, yeah. So again, a lot of these so think about these like in the drill context. I don't even think necessarily like this may even be drill. I just think you can do it for whatever, man. It doesn't have to be drill, but it's catered towards drill. I can definitely hear that one piece right there in the drill trap though. Okay, just the cello. Okay, I heard some nice little pieces that probably could be chopped. All right. Oh, dark. Let's begging for some glided 808s over it. That's nasty. I'm noticing a theme here though, like D minor, D sharp minor, which is like a half step apart. Man, I don't know. I just think and I've noticed this too, just 808s hit better in like D and like in E flat minor, which is D sharp minor, same thing. I just noticed that, and I was just scanning through this, and I'm seeing a lot of that D minor, D sharp minor. Try it sometimes. Like, man, D just hits like with that 808. It just, I don't know why, but D just, I feel like it's the sweet spot for like trap music. Woo. Soulful. I like it. Okay. All right, man. So Origin's kind of doing something like I had talked about in previous videos. It's like I be like the song starter here. Like they broke down the piano. They give you just the piano, which I think is dope. Because a lot of times you don't want the whole thing. Like sometimes the whole thing is cool, but say if I want to do a breakdown, I just really want that one piece of like that whole loop, like the starter. the full instrumental or whatever. That full loop. Like, just give me the pieces sometimes. Like, I know me, like, I get construction kits. I just want to break it down. Like, I want this one little a melodic piece that'll fit into something that I'm already doing. You know what I'm saying? And I just think that makes me buy packs more than anything. The fact that I can take those small little pieces that someone made a big arrangement out of and break it down. I like it. Okay. See, one little snare here. Okay. None we never heard before. Cool. All right. I like that guitar. Let's listen to this kick right here. Ooh, punchy. The drill. I like it. All right, let's go. Oh. Ooh, that was a nasty slide. That was nasty. Ooh, like I like stuff like this. Sometimes I just feel like they're too crazy. Like, I feel like there should be something like this on the end of a phrase. I'm sorry, kids in the background. But man, I feel like it's something that need to be a melodic phrase. Like, sometimes I just feel like that through the whole beat is just like a lot. So if I want to use this bass line, I would probably chop it up. Open hat, something we already heard before. All right. Ooh. Nasty. Kick loud. Okay, punchy. It kind of sounds like the other kick though. Yeah. Like, somebody called Trippy Red on that one, but I swear it just sounded like some Trippy Red right there. I like that. Alright, let's go with this. We got. Woo! Okay. With the vinyl stop. Okay. Alright, that was nasty. That little vinyl stop right there was perfect. There it is. And I like it's not in like the typical spot, like on that downbeat. It was just like kind of on the up, like somewhere else. I thought that was funky. That was pretty epic. I think we heard this from earlier. I think this is just the choir. Okay. Man, shout out to Origin, man, for breaking some of these samples down and just giving you like the bits and pieces. I'm gonna skip down to a couple more things. I'm probably just play a couple more starters and see what's up. What else is in here? Okay. Man, it's a lot of heat in here, man, and I'm seeing like he keep going. I don't want this video to get too long, but you kind of hear what's in here. I feel like it's a lot of stuff in here, man. And if the rest of this pack is like what I just heard, I mean, I think it's definitely worth the credits, yo. So I mean, see right now, 296 samples. I just think it's worth that. And there looks like there's some MIDI stuff in here as well. Though like there's no presets, but there's also some MIDI stuff that's in here. Show 74 extras. So there's also some MIDI progressions in there. So maybe these are from some of these. It could exactly well be. Does Splice play MIDI? I don't think so. Oh, yeah. All right, so they play the sound, but the MIDI. Okay, we'll show you what the MIDI is gonna sound like. Okay, I mean, look, again, man, Loud by Origin, Drill Season, man, I think it's definitely worth it, man. Check it out. Tell them Mikey sent you. I think you'll be glad you did. All right, till then, y'all. Keep creating.